Let's begin the bulletin with some breaking news coming in on the broadcast. Now, massive showdown erupts at Congress Bihar review meeting. Even before the Lok Sabha LOP, Rahul Gandhi walked in. Several MLAs openly confronted the leadership, blaming the defeat on wrong ticket distribution, new faces being suddenly put in the Bihar polls, and what they called poor management by the state in charge. When Rahul Gandhi joined the meeting, they said that the Congress didn't lose but was made to lose because of vote chori, and Rahul also insisted that the fight must continue against the SIR.
देखिए, पहली बार बहुत विस्तार से समीक्षा हुई है और 10-10 का ग्रुप बना के कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष राहुल जी और वेणुगोपाल जी सबसे 1 to 1 उन्होंने बात किया है और जो भी जिसको सुझाव देना था उसको सुझाव दिया है। अब AICC इस पूरे डिस्कशन के बाद आगे का रोड मैप तैयार करेगी और उस पर कार्रवाई होगी। ये सही है कि करेक्टिव मेजर्स लिए जाएंगे, ये कहा गया।
CNN News 18's Pallavi Ghosh joins us on the broadcast. Pallavi, with this massive internal clash, what are the Congress's next steps to recover after Bihar's setback?
You know, the worst part is, Mahima, that vote chori as an issue clearly did not work on the ground. And this was a point which was raised at the meeting when in those one-on-one meetings, that while you may have talked and created an awareness about SIR and vote chori, but we were not able to communicate with the voters that this is an issue on which they should be voting for. It was poor strategy, poor campaign, and of course faulty ticket distribution. But by the end of the meeting, Rahul Gandhi made it very clear that even for the upcoming state elections of 2026, where 5 states are going to go to polls, vote chori should become the key issue. So if you ask me that whether any lessons have been learned, well, clearly not, because vote chori as an election issue did not find any resonance on the ground in Bihar. So at the end of the day, this review meeting, which lasted for around 3 hours, ended up masking the real concerns which were raised by many of the leaders of Bihar. And many of them are still continuing to be disgruntled because they feel that there was a wrong ticket distribution. People were coming in from Delhi, they were parking themselves there, but they were not even accessible as far as the Congress workers are concerned. So we are going to see some critical 5 state elections coming up in 2026. And if this is what is going to be the tone then the result, according to many inter-Congress leaders, is a foregone conclusion.
Thank you so much, Pallavi, for joining us on the broadcast and sharing those details.